Anxiety is a very common experience. We will all experience some level of anxiety at some point in our life. I'd like to share with you a 4-step tip based on the book How to Solve Our Human Problems by Geshe Kelsang Gyatso. Step 1. Simply, we don't panic. Step 2. We accept the feelings by welcoming them wholeheartedly. The 3rd step is to experience the feelings, which means to just be with the feeling, to feel it. Then step 4, we investigate its nature. If we look, we'll see that the feeling is just mind, arising from mind like a wave arising from an ocean. If we stay with this experience, that feeling will dissolve back into the mind like a wave subsiding into the ocean, leaving us feeling peaceful and strong. On our Overcoming Anxiety course, we'll explore other methods for stabilizing and reducing these turbulent feelings.